Hello, in this video we will learn on how to uninstall the BMC Client Management agent from Linux devices using the pull method. We will first start up by downloading the uninstaller by accessing the rollout page, and in order to do so you could access any of the managed devices and go to the browser and type https:// hostname of the master : 1610/rollout. Now port 1610 is the communication port that is configured for my environment. In case there's a different port that is configured for yours, you may want to update that in the URL and then access the rollout page. As I'm downloading the uninstaller on a Windows device, I will be using the WinSCP tool to copy the uninstaller to the Linux server. In case you're directly downloading the rollout to the Linux device, you could skip this step. Next, we log into the Linux device using a root account and browse to the location where the Linux uninstaller is copied. To set the uninstaller package to an executable, we'll run the chmod +x plus the name of the uninstaller command. And to execute the uninstaller package, we'll run the // the name of the uninstaller command. In the upcoming video, we will be demonstrating the same step. So let's get started. So I've logged into one of the managed devices and I have accessed the browser and typed https:// the hostname of my master : the communication port, which is 1611, and rollout. It redirects me to the login page, so I'll go ahead and log into it. Now this is the uninstaller that I will be downloading. So the rollout is downloaded and I have copied it to my local document page, and we will connect to, and this is the WinSCP console. It's a normal exe file that you could download over the internet and run it on your Windows device in order to copy any file from your local Windows device to the remote Linux server. You can click on new tab and then putting in the hostname or the IP address of the Linux server and giving in the credentials, you'll be able to connect to the Linux server. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'll put in the IP address and the hostname and login. Now it has connected. I need to copy it to the TMP folder. So I go to the TMP file. Now in the left pane, I will highlight the rollout that I would like to copy. So I just right click and click on copy to clip art. And in the right pane under TMP, I will paste it by clicking on paste from clip art under the TMP folder of the Linux machine. I am not going to go ahead and click on OK because I've already created a local copy for it on the TMP file. I have already performed the copy, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. But as you will perform a fresh copy of the uninstaller, you may go ahead and click on OK. So I have logged into the Linux machine as the root account, and we'll browse to the TMP folder. When you type ls, you'll see all the files and the .sh files that are populated under the TMP file folder. Linux_uninstaller is the one that we will be working with. Let's go ahead and convert it into an executable. For that, we'll run the chmod +x command and call the uninstaller. It's case sensitive. Okay, and let's run the uninstaller. Okay, so it ran successfully. Now we'll run the ps-ef grep mtx command to check if the mtx agent service is uninstalled, and yes, it is. So the service and the processor both are missing, and this validates that the uninstaller ran successfully. Thank you for watching the video.